Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Center. We are pleased to present this superb Piaggio Vespa GTS300, registered the 17th of April 2021 on a 21 plate, with only 1,601 miles, and presented in Nero Luido. It benefits from full service history and a grab rail for added convenience. This sweet-handling, stylish and stable scooter is ready to make your commute to work a little more exciting. These are always in demand and don't hang around for long. This low-mileage example leaves us serviced with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added peace of mind. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK and flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, call us on 014 24 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note, there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.